Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirPlay not working on your Vizio TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to cast an iOS device such as an iPhone or an iPad or a MacBook Air onto their Vizio TV. How do you actually go ahead and fix it if it's not working? Now, the main issue that people run into is that with their Vizio TV, you want to navigate to menu and then you want to check what Wi-Fi network is your Vizio TV actually connected to. Because oftentimes people's iOS devices are not connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network as their Vizio TV. And in order to AirPlay your iPhone or your MacBook Air onto your Vizio TV, both devices do need to be connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network. So this is the issue that I had, guys, in which I was trying to AirPlay my MacBook Air to my Vizio TV. And what it ended up turning out was that my Vizio TV wasn't connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network. Therefore, I wasn't able to AirPlay my MacBook Air to my Vizio TV. So just double check and make sure that the network on your Vizio TV is the same exact Wi-Fi network being used on your iOS device that you're trying to AirPlay to your Vizio TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix AirPlay not working on your Vizio TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.